So guys, we are heading to the boat, so it's very chaotic and rush. So let us enter the boat. It is very dangerous and risky. It is very dangerous, guys. It is very dangerous. I've stepped into the... I've stepped into this. Wow, guys, this is so beautiful. Big boat. There is no safety, nothing. Oh my gosh, look at this, how beautiful it is. So guys, the bus has dropped us to Gopi Talab. It's like a pond.
Lord Sri Krishna used to dance the Ras with gopis in Vrindavan. When he moved to the Dwarka, all the gopis could not bear the pain of separation. So they united with Krishna at Gopi Lake and danced the Ras with him on the night of Sharat Purnima. To be with him forever, they offered their lives to the soil of that land and then turned into yellow clay known as Gopi Chandan. The soil of Gopi Talab is still yellow and very soft in texture today also.
So guys, this is Sri Krishna Mandir. There are many temples here. This is the main Gopi Talab, the pond. You can see Gopi Chandan over here, they're selling it. It smells good, it smells sandalwood. Amazing. Guys, you can see a lot of fish over here, so let me skip here. Oh man. Meeta hai pani? The water is so sweet. Unlike Dwaraka, the water is very salty, but it's very cold over here. Oh my gosh, it's refreshing. Wow. Guys, you can see a lot of fish, groups of fish. Oh my gosh, there are a lot of fish over here, guys. Damn. People are feeding fish, a lot of fish. Let me put my leg. It's like fish massage. Oh man, so good. It's very slippery over here. So guys, this is the mud. This is Chandan, Gopi Chandan. They have taken it from the pond and they have dried it, they have baked it and they are selling it. This is Gopi Chandan. And this is Gopi Chandan. So you can see Gopi Chandan everywhere. It smells good. It's like mitti. It's like we have the Multani mitti. And this is it's kind of the same. It is similar to that. And here we have a Rukmini Ji ka mandir, Rukmini Devi's mandir, temple over here, and a beautiful entrance. And again Gopi Chandan over here. So guys, I've taken Gopi Chandan with me. You can see Gopi Chandan. And wherever you go in Gujarat, you will find dokla there. Dokla, bhajis, everything. In here you have a lot of cows, a food stall selling dokla, fafda and everything, Gujarati stuffs. And it's like Pakka rural area of Gujarat. And you have the board, Gopi is written. Again, I can read Gujarati, man. It's same like Hindi. I feel very happy when I am able to read some of the words Gopi, and that is where we went over there. Damn, now let me go to the bus back. So guys, now we are heading to Oka, that is Bet Dwarka. So guys, we have reached Oka. We are about to reach Oka. You can see the ocean over there.
હાલો હાલો એ કલ્યાણપુર વાડીમાં આવું ને કલ્યાણપુર રાવલ વાડીમાં पार्किंग में अभी आपको नाव पकड़ना है जूता चप्पल पहन लेना अपना अपना सामान.
So guys, we have come to Oka port. Now we are heading towards the boat ferry or jetty. From there we will be going to Bet Dwarka. So Bet Dwarka is an island which is in Arabian Sea. So we are going to Bet Dwarka now. Now this is Oka boat jetty. We are going inside Oka boat jetty now. Wow. And over the other side the bridge is happening which will be connecting Oka to the Bet Dwarka island, but now it is they've just started the construction by laying a foundation or a pillar for the bridge. So that's the boat jetty, and this is Oka port, and there is a navy office over there, and that is Oka port over there. And the bridge, you can see the bridge over there. The pillar for the bridge has been laid. So guys, you have come here. Amazing. Look at the Oka port over there. It's cool. I've never been to such place. This is how you can see the bridge. It's almost half done. That is over there. That is Bet Dwarka. So this is Arabian Sea. It's one of the best part of Arabian Sea, I can tell. Look how blue the water is. So everyone is heading towards the boat jetty, and Bet Dwarka is an island which almost like 80% of the population is Muslim population in the Bet Dwarka, and their main source of livelihood is fishing. So that's why you can see many boats docked in this region of jetty. So guys, we are heading to the boat. So it's very chaotic and rush. So let us enter the boat. It is very dangerous and risky. It is very dangerous, guys. It is very dangerous. I've stepped into the. I've stepped into this. Wow, guys, this is so beautiful. Big boat. There is no safety, nothing. Oh my gosh, look at this. How beautiful it is.